Assalamu alaikum. Let's solve today's question. Today we have to compare the value of a and b. Since we have root in both a and b, we can simply square both the numbers. So the square will be cancelled with root. A equals 3. Squaring b, again the root is cancelled with square. We got 1 plus root 2. Root 2 is a little less than 2 because root 4 equals 2, so root 2 is less than 2. 1 plus a number that is less than 2 is going to give me an answer that is less than 3. So we have our correct option, that is A. A is greater than